Hello guys, B here, and today we're going to be making a super quick and fun card with this newly released stamp set, Thanks a Ton. And then we're also going to be using the bubbly A2 die set, and the card fronts for the last release is amazing. So here we have the paper that I chose, and then I cut the die from the bubbly die set, and it's only gonna cut the center, so you have to cut around it whatever size card you want or whatever size you want this part. So what I'm gonna do here is that I'm going to add a foam tape around my piece here so it pops from my card. I'm gonna speed through this part and I'll see you when I'm done. Here I have my card base. I have chosen that blue, and then I'm gonna go ahead and glue down my pattern paper or my card front. These are amazing, you guys, like so easy to just grab and create a quick card, and it's also so fantastic to inspire you to create something. In this case, I saw the paper and I was like, I know what I'm gonna do. So here I'm gluing it down, and here what I'm doing is just removing the backing tape from the backing paper from the foam tape and just centering as well as I can on my card, like so. Now I have set aside my card and we're gonna work on our stamp. And as always, I am using my Misty, and then I'm using Hammer Mill cardstock. This one is 80 pound because I ran out of my 100 pound, but it works well too. I have bought this one for other purposes, but it actually works really well to color with your alcohol markers, and I'm using Tuxedo Black Memento ink. So let's go ahead and color the belly of the whale together. And I had originally chosen to do maybe like a purple, grayish colors to her belly, but then you're gonna see me that I change. Instead of gray, I'm gonna use blue. And here all I'm doing is using V28, V25, V22. The V28 I'm creating kind of like a little bit of a shadowing, and then coming with the lightest colors, V25 and V22. But as I was doing that, I noticed that I wanted more of a bright purple as well, so I came in with V04 and B52. So I added some blue because I thought, I mean, it's a well, it's in the water, it has to have some blue, right? Some reflection from the water somewhere. So here I just continued adding color until I was happy how it looked. I went back and forth in between all the colors that I mentioned, and I was looking here for the eye. I use one of my cool grays, and here she is looking so cute, and I put some foam tape behind her, and I'm just adding it where I want to. And then I thought she needs a little bit of shine, so I grabbed my Wink of Stella pencil, pen, marker, brush, and I did some brushing on her belly, and I'm gonna show you in a minute how it looks. Here she is. Hopefully you can see. Oh, right there. Yes. Oh, I like it. So that's how I did that, and then I just grabbed my sentiment and I matted on a piece of the same cardstock, the blue cardstock that I use for my card base, and I added a little bit piece of foam tape to the side, like to the corner of my sentiment, because it was sinking a little because it's in the air right there. So just a tip here, if this happens to you, just use your foam tape for support. And here's how the card turned out. I decided to add some sequins from the shop This one is Whimsy glaze grape and glaze candy, and I added a little bit of it on the sides of my car to finish it off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, make sure that you join our Facebook group to be inspired by all the projects that we post daily. I'll see you next time.